Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making over a coffee table book. I was talking to my friend Anjanette the other day, and we were thinking about things that we could add rhinestones to that you might not necessarily see everywhere. And a coffee table book came up in the conversation, so that's what we're doing today, with the help of my friends at John Bead. I'm embellishing this book with their new Hot Fix rhinestones. I love using them. Are you ready? Let's hit the table and make a sparkly coffee table book. If you want to try this project and don't have a book, try grabbing something from your local free library. I scored this beautiful book just the other morning. I'm lucky enough to have several of these free libraries in my neighborhood. A coffee table book, also known as a cocktail table book, is an oversized, usually hard-covered book whose purpose is for display on a table intended for use in an area in which one entertains guests and from which it can serve to inspire conversation or pass the time. The origin of the coffee table dates back to the late 18th century, during the Victorian era. During this period, they were actually used for placing cups of tea because that was the drink of the time. This led to an increasing demand for tea tables. The first photo book, Photographs of British Algae, 1843 to 1853, was created by Anna Atkins to help scientists identify marine specimens. The photographer used the cyanotype printing process, making impressions of actual samples in contact with the light-sensitive paper. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. I'll leave a link for that in the description below too. And if you want more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling. And I'll see you real soon. Bye.